Okay, this is the Wolters AC-1200 double-sided lapping machine. We'll walk around it. Yep.
Pick a side. Run through it. Plates we'll get to in a minute. Oh, you go up on the washer here. That'll be first. It's coming around here. Do an overview here from this side. This comes on. It's just a media pump here. That's that. Got some carrier plates down here we'll be lapping.
Okay.
And what else? Air packages coming in down here. Electrics.
Air package.
Yeah, just mostly air right in here.
Yep.
That's where the water system goes. And the 3 Reliance drives. Documentation down here. The tree drives, and of course the S5 controller. We're all good here. And yeah, we do have a skid over there. Here's some of the light curtain package right here, Pete. On-off switch, light curtains, dressing rings are on a skid off to the side. That's what all this is for. We have a dressing attachment here for grooving. That's what this and this is for. I mean, if we come up front, we'll get this thing going manually. And of course the drives are downstairs, not much to see there. And come on around to the control, which is, yeah, there you go. Wiper up through here, gauging. And
back to control.
Back to the control. Right, we've got the programming module up here, and that's ready. Although we're running on time right now, we'll do a time cycle where all the time buttons and all the pressure buttons, dials take effect. You got time, you got measure if you're running off of gauging, and there's your grooving control. We'll try that in a minute. Let's swing this out, get a better look at the plates here. Move this over. All I'm really doing is lapping a few carrier plates. We have no parts in here, but now I'm gonna power up a couple of the rings. I'll stay right where you're at, and we'll do the bottom one first, I think. Let's see, our pin ring is up. We can play with that in a minute. Let's go over to manual, and there's our bottom ring. That's counterclockwise, and I think we can switch that around. Go clockwise. That's that one. And then we've got the upper plate over here we'll do. Just going around. And lastly, we got the sun gear here in the center. Let's see if we can get that to go. That's just all by itself. And this one, we turn around, that's going what, clockwise? Let's switch that over, counterclockwise. We just got a little bit of oil up on there for the plates. Like I said, we're lapping carrier plates, but it'll show an auto cycle. So that's that. And what, down low, if we switch over here to grooving, we could probably, if I, up here on the control, if I switch over to grooving here, up here, yeah. Now we're on grooving. Now if I come down here, step over to the side a little bit here, I should be able to call this out. And in manual, if I let the pin ring down, hang on one second, let me drop the pin ring. You can't have the pin ring up and do grooving, so. Be back in, please. There, sorry. I was in automatic still. Now we're in manual. We should have this. It's coming out now, see? It's got a clutch on there. It's all the way back right now. And if I send it back in the other way, and one more time, just kind of bring it out just to show that it. Cylinder works, the ring works. That would come all the way around and reset it, go back home with it. There we go. That's home.
Good.
Yeah. I got the upper arm back in. Switch back over to auto here. We're ready to go as soon as we get the pin ring up. There's first stage, and then we go second stage, and we're good there. And all the plates are in. We should get a cycle here. Let me see if we can go back to time. There we go.
Can you swing the control closer so?
Yeah.
There you go.
Let me kind of get out of the way here. Let me see if I can hold it. I'll just hold it in long enough to get it down there. It's just locked in, the arm locked in. Fast forward. There's the approach speed. And it will settle in real lightly on this one. A couple of pounds only. There's our kilogram, there's our force, it's very light. Drive speed is slow. I got everything going slow. We got nothing to lap here, so we're just rubbing on the plates. Got a little bit of oil on there. We're on HL now, then it switches over to VN up here, and over to HN. It goes through the 3 stages of lapping. Can you see the carriers moving at all, or down here? Yeah, kind of see those going by. We have all 3 rings turning right now, so I'm using the center ring for now. Another 10 seconds or so to go. It's a short cycle. That's it. End of cycle. It's going to time out and time stop. We go for a few seconds longer right there, and up she comes. That's it. Unlock. I think pin ring might, oh, there it goes, it's taken off. Yeah, we're not leveled out real good. I have to watch this. There we go. End of cycle.
And a video.
End of video.